if you want to boost FPS, reduce input delay, lower background usage, and make Windows feel smoother without changing dozens of settings manually, TweakShift Classic puts the main gaming optimizations into one simple dashboard. In this video, I'll show you how to download it, set it up correctly, and use the features that matter most. First, click the link in the description to open the official TweakShift website. Select the Classic tab, then click Download Free. Enter your email, select your country, and click Unlock Classic Download. Once the download button appears, download and install the tool. I already have it installed, so let's open TweakShift Classic and get straight into the setup. Before using any optimizations, sign in with Google or Discord. Once the dashboard opens, you'll see the recommended optimizations and the auto apply on game launch option. When enabled, the tool can automatically apply your selected gaming settings when you launch a game. But the first section I recommend using is Boost Modes. Open Boost Modes, select Save Gaming Mode, then click Apply Mode. This is the best starting option for most users because it focuses on gaming performance without applying overly aggressive changes. You'll also see Competitive Mode, Privacy Clean Mode, and Stream Mode. Use Competitive Mode when maximum gaming performance is your priority, Privacy Clean Mode for reducing background tracking, and Stream Mode when gaming and recording at the same time. Next, open Windows Control. This section contains Windows settings designed to reduce unnecessary background activity. Beginners can click Apply Recommended, while advanced users can review and select individual tweaks. After that, open Performance Score. This section focuses on system responsiveness and gaming performance. Again, you can apply individual options or use Apply Recommended for a faster setup. Now open Graphics Driver. Driver settings can affect FPS consistency, stuttering, and input response, so this is one section worth checking if your games feel heavy or inconsistent. Review the available tweaks or click Apply Recommended. But performance isn't only about Windows and graphics settings. Online games can also feel bad when the network configuration is unstable. Open Network Stack. This section includes optimizations for online gaming, ping stability, and network response. It can be useful for games like Fortnite, Valorant, CS2, and Warzone. Start with the recommended options instead of enabling everything randomly. Next, open Privacy Guard. This section helps reduce unnecessary tracking and background privacy activity. You can review the tweaks manually or click Apply Recommended for a cleaner setup. After that, open System Core. This contains system-level changes related to Windows behavior and background processes. For most users, Apply Recommended is the easiest and safest starting point. You'll also find Security and BIOS Lab. This section includes more advanced system and BIOS-related options. Read each tweak before applying it and don't enable advanced settings unless they match your PC and setup. The good part is that supported changes can be reverted later, so you're not permanently stuck with a setting. Next, open Maintenance Kit. This section helps clean temporary files, cache, and unnecessary junk. Run the recommended cleanup if Windows has started feeling heavy or storage has become cluttered. Now let's move to Utilities, because this section contains several useful one-click tools. First, you'll see Game Mode. Enable it before gaming to reduce unnecessary background activity and prepare the system for your game. Next is Power Plan Mode. You can choose High Performance, Ultimate Performance, Balanced, or Power Saver. For most gaming PCs, I recommend High Performance. It keeps the system responsive without going as far as Ultimate Performance. Avoid Power Saver while gaming because it can limit hardware performance. Fortnite players can also use Potato Graphics. Light applies smaller visual changes, Medium lowers graphics further, and Max targets the lowest possible visuals for higher FPS. Start with Light or Medium before testing Max. After that, open Startup Manager. Disable applications you don't need launching automatically with Windows. This can improve boot time and reduce background usage before you start gaming. Then we have RAM Cleaner. Use it before launching a game when several applications have been running and memory usage is unusually high. This can be more useful on PCs with 8 or 16 GB of RAM, but don't expect it to replace closing unnecessary programs. One of the most important sections is Restore. If you apply a setting and don't like the result, you can use the Restore options to return supported changes to their previous state. Finally, open updates and make sure TweakShift Classic is running the latest version. Updates can include new tweaks, compatibility improvements, and fixes for newer Windows builds. Once you've applied your selected optimizations, restart the PC. Then launch the same game using the same graphic settings, map, and frame rate limit. Test average FPS, 1% lows, input response, and stuttering for at least 5 to 10 minutes. If this guide helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more tested PC optimization videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.